Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's your brother, your friend, Casey Brown TV show. You know I will do it. If it's your first time here, please kindly subscribe and leave your hand on the notification bell for more videos and updates. Here we talk about migrant and document issues. We pass information and buy and vital information to our beautiful people so that you'll be informed of what is happening. Information is power, information is wisdom, information makes you know what is happening. So today let's talk about some issues that is happening around us in mostly in Italy. Understand? So mostly in Italy. I want to talk to my Italians, brothers and sisters, and the foreigners here. So now in this there are new news that is going around right now. There is many news going around about this ready to charge an answer. Many news they walk out around this ready to charge an answer. I beg this one now that new news where they come out. They say they don't they catch people anyhow. Understand? They don't they catch people anyhow. Understand? For Catania they don't do a lot of people where they use this where they collect rate to China where they don't get they never qualify to collect the rate to China and they save the cash people. There are different things now they go they do. Understand? You must pay back the money and they go see some kind of important things. If you know through that the payment, you know will get that thing back. So you when you know say never due, I beg make you know how you take you know they do the things because say some people must they close now make they don't they get sign say many foreigners understand many migrants will are rich they go they collect the money understand if this one collects go tell them one go collect am so before they know they don't full poster they stop poster say they need this card they don't go do their demand that they don't go request for aims so they go the poster go dey stop for the card so now things don't dey happen and now why this thing they can't they know more about this thing why police that is guarda the finance the financer they can't they know why more about this because say now IMS don dey see say people where full year person no go say e work full year person go say no work you know say if you don dey work you need to go tell dem say you don dey work they go know how they want to amend am some go say okay we will cut am as you don dey work see money wey you dey receive e go dey reach you some people no go gree go text say they don dey work some people go talk say abeg oga no give me contract put am for black work understand my for dey collect the two money because if you don't know say you don dey pay you don dey pay contribution you don get contract him is fit still know say this guy don get contract but they go leave you but when you wan go renew again they come tell you say see you work so year you no come tell us they go cut am understand so na this year now wey they wan renew now they come dey see say people wey go request for this rate to charge nasa they don dey know say many people never reach to get and many people get houses no be say only the foreigners both the citizens many of them get houses they go say they no get house understand many of them dey work black work and they dey work so they dey investigate them full year one person 2 years 3 years person go say no work for wetin so now they come dey put eye for this investigation they know say some people are use this money anyhow people go dey play game online games they do shopping for online so now be this now make this quarter the finance come dey say why this kind thing dey play e be like fraud you are frauding the government so my people now they say for Catania they catch almost 80 people for Brescia for Ferrara they catch people anyhow now this renew now they want renew the country they investigate more and many people they say their permits will never reach they go request their permits to still dey 2 years people still dey camp they go request so be careful understand be careful because now as their parliament this their government their politics things get as a country dey we no come understand wetin go play for the next months now they never get they never get who go dey lead them for now because Conte say he don resign now Savina they find and he with the party now they find they want to enter back so things get as it dey Savina say the time wey dey government he save almost 360 Italians for going pension quick understand e make them reduce the tax e come make them quick go pension all those kind of things but when e comot na only 100 people fit na fit go pension reach now Till when that time we dating where they come out, but not in this time. Now only 100 fit go. But the time we come, reach many how many years people go pension where and it be reduced tax. So now what in the try in the black to bring the old story come back so that see the fine I want to enter back, seeing where for vote and put. Understand? You get that home and wait they follow they come Georgia Meloni. That one still some other person way we say you no one use eye to see. Oh God. You no one use eye. If they follow that policy, that home that those people politics the way they talk about migrants, you go hey. Understand? So we need to be careful. Now on that one, see they pay me now. See they pay people they write me say bro I no fit open postal pay for postal office. Why wetin happen? Our people don't go postal pay go collect this postal revolution go commit some kind scam with am. Now for all the whole world na only Nigeria they come block. They banned, just they block as they banned Nigerians to access for this postal revolution. As a Nigerian, now you want to go ask for postal revolution for postal office. If you know the work, if they don't verify, once they just start the procedure for inside computer, they start to type your name, give me document. Once they don't see your documents, the thing will just stop. They go suspend and say make you fair wait for some kind of days just to verify your documents to know if you did work. And if you know the work, you don't know if it grants you. Many people from my city, we now many people don't go ask. Now only few with the work, and they go call the oga can't call. Say na me give them work, bring the contract come before they give them that revolution. Understand? They investigate, go reach the place where the guy person they work before they give them. Because our people now don't come. Since many years, this never happen. People now don't come. Come go use that revolution now. Go do scamming. They don't go send go do fraud. Now person come put money. Many people they put money for this postal revolution. Now they can go the other countries now come the report say people they use now bank to collect our money for so control. And this money now we don't what we ask request for this money they don't bring account for us, and what we use the want from this money they don't block us from the line. So now this postal office now will pay and put so place so number all kind of thing. They call us now Nigeria people investigating now many Nigerians. Now postal they can't do meeting. It's not my friend with the offer postal. I tell me they can't do meeting. Now they come to block Nigerians only for all the world. They block Nigeria for postal to open postal. If you don't get the relevant or the as in with the this thing details what they want from me, if you know if you bring a come out or the information they ask, no if you bring all of the come out, it go hard. So my brothers, what did they happen? This one pay me. Be like fully. It just be like my heart can't just guy can't feel. We just win Nigeria. Many put the weakness on. You cannot just go poster say you want to put. I want to put poster pay. I want to put I want get account from in a bank. Making a game. I need in a card, in an MTN card. Once they don't start the procedure for computer like this, once you just bring your document, the computer will just talk say this person. Once you just type say Nigeria, it don't stop. Now there go just stop. It don't stop. It cannot pass there. So you need to that your document you already give, they don't keep part, they don't start keep. They need to go verify if you did work. So if you know the work, you don't get ahead. They go just the postpone you say come next week, it never stay open. Permanent thing. They tell say it never stay open, it never stay get ahead. Maybe the computer get fault. No, they don't ban Nigeria for postal office to open postal to bank with them for their postal office. They ban Nigeria if you know the work. This one not good. This thing, it just I beg my people, mostly Nigerians, more I beg. When will they control our emotion? When will they control our attitude, our characters? When will they try to control them? Because now we know Sabi level this one never ring for because you're like secrets now banking things. They no one lost customers. We don't the bank with them, so they just keep their mouths shut. So this kind one now Sabi come here and I get as a B. All those people know, all those parties no one wants a foreigners. They can't they put eye for mostly the Niger. You who have the Nigeria now want go find work now. They come they talk say you are from Nigeria. Then they don't forget one kind of bad record for we. This one cause they happen more. Get us things we supposed to keep good record. Also they keep good record for any country we enter. It dey pay me. Eh? It dey pay me only Nigeria. Eh? The other day, me and my friend we stand. Person dey close to us, they open the revolution. We will be Nigeria. E no get head. I just want me go try. Now I know if na real. E no get head. Now I come call my friend say, wetin happen? I wan open revolution. They say make I wait. It come dey explain say see wetin sup. Say wey their oga call them. Because where the people come go the guy office, wan go open revolution because the guy dey help migrants well well. This my friend. He work for poster. People, he come they say, why this thing dey block? Almost 10 20 people don't call Nigeria say this thing no grow back. Give them years back. They very quick. They give them. They issue them this thing. This their poster MTN card. Open bank with them. But now why I come block before they come tell and say or I come tell and say their president who they work with them because it's wetin happen. Nigeria people use that card to go fraud many people for different country. So the report come. Now they say from open poster card for Nigeria is banned for now, except the person bring relevant documents. Say you dey work, you dey receive income. You're not thinking to go fraud person, but you dey receive. You are working for your money before they feel open up for you. So now if many of our people go open my poster, go bank with poster pay, they will tell you say go and bring work, or they go postpone you say come tomorrow, come next tomorrow, come. Now just not lie. Because they don't ban the Nigerians and because you need to show say you dey work. Once you don't get your document, once they go verify say you dey work, they go open for you. Yeah. So people where they fair, they not fair give before they say me they wait. After the 2 or 3 days, they will call you say come, we don't accept you. Once they don't say you dey work, they go accept you. But if you know the work is very difficult. Understand? So because of the fraud when Nigeria had to go do and make they just cut off from they banned from Nigerians. So I beg my people most they keep good record. That's the things they thing want bring come out. More try to keep good record for ourselves. The main thing because this government now where they do they will not understand. We are fighting for we to have documents. We the fight we get our documents. We they legal for the countryside. We consider the constitute waiting would make them they hold all those things. Understand? We need to show good examples before they go feel open good hearts for us. So I beg. So now today updates. People they receive this radio charging answer. If you know say level due, I beg. Still go tell them say I never due, but I receive and if there is no problem, they will tell you. Understand? They will tell you say no problem because you get family. But if you see your man say no one go report to them, they will receive and you know no problem. But if you your mind say maybe we get some kind of fear, if you go tell us say I dey receive before, but I no say na 10 years, but I just see as who know the work or who no get income, if you can apply. So you explain for them. So I no get income, I get family. You explain. That's what I can do. I hope no problem. They will tell you if they say no problem, if you leave it's me go. But if they say problem, then if they tell you. Or maybe you can't walk along the line. If you can't tell us, I don't walk. If you don't walk along the. I don't really walk along the line. Or I don't get contract for so months. You go expire this month, but it's no problem. But you can't understand. You go say that they know. They go now as they want to right put for their system. System go tell say maybe they feel reduce come off for inside. Understand? But than to close your mouth, we talk. So now things don't they change. This one week before police not they investigate like this, but the way they continue every day they catch every day. They don't they say don't they count almost 1 million. You don't know how many people every day they catch. No deal for news. We don't do no chance. Yeah, no deal. Understand? I beg when I be careful. If you know say the receiver, if you do your mind to talk, if you go tell and say the receiver, I don't know. But there's no problem. If they say problem there, go tell if problem no dey. I know say na 10 years. I think say na no dey work. All those kind of things. If you explain, give them. Understand? Because the Italian I know some people not to understand that. And I just see, we just carry on so that now we know what thing we define. I'm not saying nowhere easy, nothing easy for many people. Understand? But more should say I want to see clean for so you understand. So I want the clean. I make I just talk. Everything in your mind, understand everything in your mind. If you don't see your mind, say make you just go tell them, go tell you wait for to open and go tell them say I don't know, see my document. Let me say the IMS, I'll be people they do and safe. I don't know that they control documents. So not every look document they all apply for you, but IMS go still accept them. IMS they accept. Understand? But now where they want come go you want go renew am now, they come dey investigate very well, they dey look the documents very well, come dey look all those kind of things. So if you want go renew am, maybe careful. Understand? Maybe careful. Just tell them, maybe they just say, see my document, see my document. So if they say they go give it, they'll give it. If you know say they don't stop the payment, they no can't give you again. You know say they don't verify, say yeah, you never reach. But if they still continue to pay, no problem. But if they say they stop the payment, say yeah, you never reach to receive them, or you know due to receive them. But if you know say they still stop your own, if you go tell them say they stop them, see they go to explain say see why they stop them. Understand? It's very important that they can't hold you for the along the line. Good. So my brother, my sisters, more be careful. So guys, this is today's video. So we'll see you on the next video. I'm going to bring a new update again, and many updates about camp people. They want to change the payments, as in the assistance, the way they are, the assistance where they give people for camp. They some projects they complain say the money wey they give them for camp to take care of migrants, they reach them. So 12 regions don't go meeting for this. So Luciano Lamojisi now want give them the answer which she they think about this. Understand? If they go increase the money to take care of migrants to the camp, because single people now they say now 21 really pay them, people get family 28, may they increase them a day. So many increase them, because many people of them go like to go hospitals, many people like to go to school. What if when they see money they pay, they buy drugs for them, or they go for treatment, or they buy what they need for school, or anything what they want to do to support them. So that's why they come talk about this, how they want it to help migrants with the camp. So that one I go my next video, because they don't send talk to the woman, so the woman now need to give the reply. So we're going to be talking about that in my next video, and some sanatorial updates will still come. I will see through and give my people. So guys, see you in my next video, and bye for now. Please try to share and like this video. We're here to learn and to educate one another. It's your brother, your friend, Kessy Brown TV Show. Stay safe and play well. Bye for now.